Hi, today we are showing you how to an African doll that is made out of old newspapers. These are very easy and simple crafts. I'm sure everyone would have old newspapers at home to recycle or even papers from old notebooks. Make use of it by doing this DIY. Let's start. Fold the newspaper as shown here and cut along the crease. Also, cut these folded sides and you'll have such cut pieces. Now, grab a knitting needle or a broomstick and roll the newspaper from one corner as shown here to form a newspaper stick. And at the end, apply glue to secure it. Once again, roll and glue it. According to each design, the number varies. For the base, take a cardboard, draw a circle. We just use the base of this container and cut away. Make two more of these. Since these cardboards are on the thinner side, we glued two of it together. Once it dries, let's add the newspaper sticks on it. Take the stick, flatten one end, apply glue on the edge of the cardboard and stick it. Continue this process all along the cardboard. Once done, apply glue on the entire thing and place the third cardboard piece that was cut earlier. We are doing this so that the finishing looks neat. Take a stick, fold it at a third and place another stick horizontally across as shown here. It looks like a cross sign. Now, take a craft wire and secure the joint with it. Next, take 5 sticks. Glue just at the middle section of the stick and keep joining sticks one by one. Let's make one more set of 5 sticks in the same way. Now, let's grab the body frame and make the head and the scarf. Apply glue on the top section of the frame and start rolling the paper sticks onto them. As and when you start gluing them, make the sticks flat along the way and wrap around it. And once you come to the end of the stick, attach another stick to the previous one and continue. Make sure to glue along. And here we made even the scarf just by adding 1 or 2 extra layers on the top of the head. And once happy with how it looks, we added glue to the entire thing we just made so that it holds properly. Now, take the shoulder part, mark the center and press it down. On the body frame, add glue and fold and stick the shoulder part on it. And repeat to the other side as well. Add a rubber band or masking tape to hold it place. Again, apply glue all over and let it dry. Let's make an apparel. So apply glue and start wrapping the sticks around the body just as shown here. We are cutting a stick into half and adding that as a strap to the top on either sides. You can alter the design however you would like to and be more creative. So once a strap is added, we continue doing the top. As that is drying, let's make the skirt. Grab all the sticks together as shown here and mark the desired length for the skirt, and then chop off all the extra length. So the plan is, you take the body part and stick it in the middle of the skirt part with the sticks covering the body. You can see it here. Let's do it. Also, make sure the base is flat and level and the sticks are linear. Once it looks good, then add masking tape around it to hold its place. Now, let's make the top of the skirt. Add glue, flat the paper sticks and roll it around. Roll the newspaper sticks into a circle. Once happy with the size, glue the end. Now carefully push the sticks outward to form the shape of a basket. Then add glue both to the front and back and let it dry. For the body, that is the head, arms, shoulders and waist, let's paint black. For the skirt, the beautiful magenta. So this is how the skirt is looking after the paint. But since you can see the gap in between, we decided to fill the gaps by adding smaller sticks so it gives a fuller look. Again, it's totally up to you to add or not. But if you decide to add, make sure it's glued flush into the design and the flow and looks seamless. We were happy with this outcome, so then we painted the same color. If you look closely, you can still see the newspaper print, which is fine. But since we are planning to color lighter shade for the other parts, we decided to base paint white so the print won't be seen as much. For the top, we painted chrome yellow, including the strap. For the top part of the skirt and the scarf, we did silver. You can choose whatever style, design and color as you wish. Now let's accessorize her. We have these pearl beads, so with the craft wire, we made this necklace and earrings. To make bangles, take the craft wire and just wrap it over a stick or a paintbrush for 4 to 5 times. Let's get back to the skirt and add more details. We are using the same yellow shade from the top to add a border. And using a Q-tip or a cotton bud, we added polka dots randomly all over the skirt. Let's finish her up. Before gluing the basket, put on her bangles and then glue the basket. This is how we want her to hold it. We added the same glue, but it didn't hold. So we used a glue gun and it worked out well. Place the other hand as well and make sure to paint over all the glue so it is camouflaged. And there she is, a beautiful looking African doll made out of old newspaper. And these are her friends, whom again my mom made all by herself. Do let me know if you like this craft, and hopefully this inspires you to give it a try, as this is really a fun project. Subscribe along for more such easy and fun projects and also travel content. Bye.